So hi folks, here I want to show you Dospat dam, as I'm here again for one last week to finish the renovation of a house. So over there is Dospat dam, which is about 18 kilometers long. You can just see a little part of it around here, and now I'll show you what I do today. This is the super nice place of Dospat, a small town with about 1,000 people, 1,000 citizens. And now we are finishing this absolutely amazing floor, which the owner, Petko Petkov, wanted to look like that. What is interesting here is he made these, I don't know the word in English actually, so people can hang with those swings, and the TV is also on such thing. And now I'm doing these finishing touches with silicone, and this is with screwdrivers. I installed them, and I have one last to put here. Then I'll continue with other tasks, like putting such edges here and there. And I hope you like this floor. That's the best floor of the house. You can see here is the finished around the wood beams. Over there I didn't take off the duct tape yet, and you can see the bathroom will be with sliding doors, and that's from the sway. And the amazing bathroom with beams around, and that's the IKEA stuff, the boiler. Also, I finished this yesterday, the toilet and the bath cabin, and amazing tiles that they simulate marble, but it's not real marble, it's just tiles. And cool shower. It's a little bit dirty, it's a little bit not yet finished, like the shaft. This is going to be painted. This is not finished with the edge over there. We have just a little more finishing touches here and there. And maybe this coming Sunday, when I will be choosing the winner of the giveaway, I'm going to be choosing two winners, one big prize, and the second prize will be a smaller, two journals. Those of you who didn't play in the giveaway, you can check one of my latest videos with the giveaway, and you can tag two friends of yours in that video when you find it on my TikTok profile. And if you tag two friends of yours in the comments, you will be in the list to play. And in Sunday I'm gonna be choosing the winner. And hi from me, guys. So I'll be choosing this winner for the giveaway in Sunday, and I will be back to crafting some new stuff. I have a lot of ideas. I'm changing my plans. I want to do this, to do that. So it's just crazy with my crafting. And I will see later on when I'm back to my home in 2 days what I will want to create. I don't want to push myself with anything specific. I just create whenever I like to and whatever I like to. So I hope you enjoyed this floor video.